Hello friends, my name is Shalu Pal. Welcome to Interview Questions and Answers video tutorial series. Today I will discuss my question number 11. Where do you see yourself after 5 years of time? See, this question is asked in many interviews. They want to know your future goal. They want to know what's your future plan. They want to know that how much time you are planning to work in their company. So, how can you answer such kind of question? Let's see the first I will tell you some tips to answer. My first tip is be ambitious and realistic. See, everyone have some ambition. Include that ambition in an answer so that it should look in a real way. Talk in terms of achievements and responsibilities. Always include what you want to achieve after 5 years in your answer. What will be your responsibilities after 5 years? Be specific and flexible. See, you give your answer related to the company's job profile. So be specific what you want after 5 years and be flexible. Like they are asking for 5 years, but you can also say what will not be possible to achieve. You can also say that be flexible in your answer. Okay, it's not like that they are asking you for 5 years and you are giving answer like that, sir, I don't know where I will go. Just give answer flexibly. Maybe you not be in a position to achieve that, but just give answer. Talk about your personal and professional goals. Always include your goals in answer because everyone have some goal and we have to include our personal goals also and professional goals also in answer. Tell the value you can bring to the organization. This is the best point. This is the best point which you can include in your answer. Like after 5 years you will be beneficial for the company or you will be the important part of the company. Hope you understand these tips. Now we will see answers for freshers. First answer. After 5 years, I would like to see myself leading a team of dedicated and motivated employees towards the goal of company, and in the process I would like to grow as an individual both professionally and personally. So here being fresher, currently I'm going for an executive position, but if they're asking me a question that where do you see yourself after 5 years, I can say that I may be leading a team of some employees and I will be working so good towards the goal of the company and I will grow personally as well as professionally also. Next answer. I would like to see myself more skilled and technologically well developed in your esteemed organization after 5 years from now. See, if I am going in some reputed IT company for some computer engineer post, if they're asking me that where do you see yourself after 5 years, then I can answer in such a way that I would like to see myself technologically more advanced, more developed in your esteemed organization. Third answer. After 5 years, I see myself as a valued employee of a company. My goal is to become a manager in 5 years. Although not everyone gets promoted to this level, but I believe I can achieve this goal through hard work. See, in this answer, I am giving my quality of hardworking nature. I am convincing the interviewer that I have belief on myself, I have belief on my work that I will definitely become manager in 5 years. So this is my 5 years perception which I am going to tell the interviewer that I will be valuable employee for their company. Next we will see answers for experienced professionals. First answer, I would like to become a master in my field with lots of skills and responsibilities. I would also like to participate in social events to improve the society. See, for experienced professionals, they reach to such a high level after some period of time. They become master in their field with lots of responsibilities on their shoulders. So they can easily participate in social events and they can do the benefit of society. So they can answer in such a short and simple way. Next option. 5 years from now, I would like to see myself at a respectable and more responsible position in the company where I can take decisions for the welfare of the company. See, being an experienced professional, my short-term goal of 5 years, I will be at the responsible position. I will be at the higher position of the company and where I have authority to take good decisions for the benefit of company or for the welfare of company. You can answer in such a way also. Next answer for experienced professionals. Knowing my strengths, knowing my power to grab things quickly and knowing all positive things associated with me, I could see myself working in a good position, drawing success for company, motivating young employees and bringing best out of them. See, being an experienced professional, I can easily count them my qualities, my strength, my power, which will be helpful for their company because I will be handling some employees team and I can bring best out of them. So I can achieve the company's goal quickly. So in such a way here I am trying to convince the interviewer by telling him my qualities. So hope you like my answers for this question. Thank you for watching my video. You can share this video with your friends. You can subscribe my YouTube channel of Learn by Watch. Watch my more videos on interviews on youtube.com/learnbywatch. Mail me your comments and suggestion at shalu@learnbywatch.com. Thank you.